guys, so today I'm pretty close to getting my full review done, but I thought I would do a first impressions video on all of my Holifrog products. By far and away, this was one of the brands that I got asked about the most by everyone, so I thought I would do a quick first impressions review, and then I will do my full reviews of all of them in the next few weeks. So anyway, Holifrog is a newer brand. Their theory is a little bit different than mine. Their theory is that everything in skincare really starts with cleansing, and that's the most important thing in skincare, and you really should invest in your cleansing routine. I'm kind of the opposite. I think, you gotta have a good cleanser, but spend more on the products that spend more time on your skin, like a good vitamin C serum or a good moisturizer. But anyway, I thought I would give them a try, which I have. So they've got 4 cleansers, all kind of have a different purpose. So this one is their Tamanu Water Lily, which is meant to be a cleanser for when your skin is feeling dry. They mean to use this, in your evening routine or your morning routine when your skin is feeling really dry or irritated. And it does a pretty good job. This one I found actually I like to use more so in the morning, because in the morning I don't like to do a big cleanse because my skin gets drier. A lot of times I just rinse off with water, but this one is pretty gentle and seems to work well in my morning routine, just a quick cleanse. So, pricey. They're all about $35 each. But overall, the formula for most of all of these is pretty decent. There's not a lot of fragrance, no denatured alcohol. It's all packaged pretty well. This one is their Superior Omega Nutritive Gel Wash, and this one is one that they mean to be used like on a daily basis. It's just a good general cleanser, has a nice foam to it, which is very true. I found this one works okay for me in my evening routine, but it doesn't do the best at removing makeup. So that's why typically if I use this one, I'll use like a quick makeup remover wipe or a cleansing balm first, and then this one, and it does a good job kind of removing other oil and debris, but just not the best with makeup, mascara, things like that. Their cleansing balm is kind of what they're geared towards for those who wear makeup on a regular basis. So it's just a cleansing balm. It does a good job removing makeup. However, for the price of it, I think this one is also $35. A little bit doesn't go a long way, so you need to use a lot more, so you don't get a ton of washes out of one tube. So it's kind of pricey. So this one, probably, in my opinion, I wouldn't repurchase this one just because of that. And I tend to wear a lot of makeup, so I tend to need a lot of makeup remover. But if money's not a big issue, it does a decent job removing makeup and doesn't leave your skin feeling dry at all. So that's a nice thing. And then finally, their Shasta wash is meant to be kind of a acne preventative wash, preventing breakouts and things like that. It's got alpha hydroxy acids in it. The pH of this is about 4 exactly. So if you know a little bit about alpha hydroxy acids, the pH needs to be usually between 3 and 4 for it to be effective. 4 is at the high range, and then also since it's a cleanser, you're going to rinse it right off. So to be honest, it's not going to do a whole ton to prevent breakouts. You're really better off if you have significant problems with acne or breakouts using a leave-on product or a leave-on alpha hydroxy serum or something like Glycerin or a retinol. But it does a good job cleansing. Left my face feeling a little bit on the dry side, which having a pH of 4 isn't, I guess, much of a surprise, and it does have some alpha hydroxy acids in there. So this one I probably wouldn't repurchase either just because of those factors. But the other 2 washes, the Lily and the what was the other one? The Omega. That's it. Those 2 I probably would repurchase for different reasons. But the alpha hydroxy and the cleansing balm, for me, just weren't total winners. But a lot of people have tried all 4 of these products from the brand and love them. So cruelty-free. You can pick them up from their website. They've got a set. If you can get on the list to get it. The set was sold out when I checked it out, but I also picked it up from Derm Store. So it might be worth checking out, getting a promo code there. So anyway, Beautylish also sells them as well. And I know some people got these in their lucky bags. I got the unlucky bag with one thing in it that was $6. So I had an unlucky bag, which they refunded me, but anyway, some people were lucky. I'm jealous, but anyway. So those are kind of my first impressions of the Holifrog brand. So I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've tried anything from them yet, or if you're thinking about it, or what you're thinking about, or what you have picked up. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more newness tomorrow. Thank you guys so much.